Hi, this is Gene from the Adobo Test Kitchen, and I'm here to show you how to make Adobong Hipon sa Puti, white shrimp adobo. And here are the ingredients: 2 pounds of shrimp, peeled and deveined, 8 ounces of mushrooms, quartered, 1 cup of cane vinegar, 1/2 cups of water, 5 cloves of garlic, crushed, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, sea salt, and ground pepper to taste. You're going to season the shrimp with sea salt, and then you're going to add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix. Now preheat a Dutch oven or heavy stock pot over medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now add the garlic and cook for about 3 minutes. Now add the mushrooms and stir fry for about 3 minutes. Now remove the garlic and the mushrooms from the pot. Turn up the heat to high and start adding the shrimp in batches. You're going to sear the shrimp for about 1 minute per side or until it's pink. Turn the shrimp over and cook the other side for about 1 minute. Remove the shrimp from the pot and begin with the next batch of shrimp. Do this until all the shrimp is gone. Add the vinegar and bring to a boil. You're going to want to scrape the bottom of the pot with a wooden spatula. Now add the honey and reduce the heat to medium. You're going to cook this uncovered until it's reduced by half. Now add the water and the salt. Now turn off the heat and add the mushrooms and the shrimp. And with fresh ground pepper, and it's ready to serve. So there you have it, my recipe for Adobong Hipon sa Puti. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.